Hey, welcome to Fixit. Today I will show you how to fix pictures not showing in Gallery of Android device. Let's go. Sometimes you may notice that your photos are missing or not appearing as they should. This can be frustrating, but there are a few simple steps you can take to solve this issue. First of all, open up the Settings app on your device. Then scroll down to Apps. Now tap on Show All Apps. Then tap on Albums. Now go to Permissions. Make sure that you grant all the necessary permissions to it. Then go back and tap Storage and Cache. Now tap on Clear Cache. By clearing the cache, you can free up space on your device and help to ensure that it continues to run smoothly. It's important to note that clearing the cache will not delete any personal data, such as photos or contacts. It will only remove temporary files that are no longer needed. Now it's time to restart your device. Simply swipe down from the top just like this and swipe down again. Then tap on this button, tap on the Restart button. After restarting, navigate back to your Gallery app and check if all those missing pictures have returned. If everything looks good again, congratulations, you've successfully resolved this issue. Thanks for choosing Fixit again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.